This is your Boolean expression for your 4 by 1 marks, that is S naught bar, S1 bar, D naught. And next you are going to have 0, 1, D1. So S naught bar, S1, D1 plus next you are going to have S naught, S1 bar, D2 plus you are going to have S naught, S1, D3. This is going to be a Boolean expression. From this Boolean expression you are going to draw your logic circuit. So first one is S naught bar, S1 bar and D naught. So I am taking my inputs as, here I am taking D naught, D1, D2, D3, S naught, S1, and I am going to connect my S naught for NOT gate, S1 for NOT gate, so that I am going to get S naught bar and S1 bar. So now I am going to simplify this equation, Boolean expression. So first I am going to have S naught bar. So I am taking S naught bar as one input and S1 bar as another input, and next input is going to be my D naught. So I am going to give this 3 inputs for AND gate, so that I am going to get the output as S naught bar, S1 bar, D naught. And next I am going to have S naught bar, S1, D1. So I am taking another input as S naught bar, S1, and next one is D1. I am connecting all these 3 inputs to another AND gate, so that I am going to get S naught bar, S1, D1. And next I am going to have S naught, S1 bar and D2. So I am taking S naught as one input, S1 bar as another input, and D2 as another input, so that I am connecting all these 3 inputs to an AND gate, so that I am going to get S naught, S1 bar and D2. And next I am going to have S naught, S1, D3. So I am taking the inputs S naught, S1 and D3. Again I am connecting all these 3 inputs to an AND gate, so that I am going to get S naught, S1 and 3. And all these AND gates are connected to an OR gate. I am going to connect this to an OR gate, so that I am going to get my final output as Y, that is Y is equal to S naught bar, S1 bar, D naught plus S naught bar, S1, D1 plus S naught, S1 bar, D2 plus S naught, S1, D3. That's how you are going to design your 4 by 1 mux. So in this video we have seen what is meant by multiplexer, what are the applications, what are the advantages and types of multiplexers, that is 2 by 1